Elderberry, derived from the sambucus tree, most commonly Sambucus nigra, has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and immune-boosting compounds, elderberries are making a huge comeback in modern health and wellness circles. Whether consumed as syrup, tea, capsules, or gummies, elderberry offers a wide range of health benefits. Let's dive into the top 10 reasons why elderberry deserves a spot in your daily health routine. Number 1. Boosts the immune system. Elderberries are most famous for their ability to strengthen the immune system. Rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids like anthocyanins, elderberries help protect the body from oxidative stress, which weakens immune defenses. Research has shown that elderberry extract can increase cytokine production, which enhances immune response and helps the body fight off viruses and infections more effectively. This makes elderberry a popular supplement during cold and flu season. By bolstering your immune system's natural defenses, elderberry reduces the likelihood of falling ill and can even shorten the duration and severity of colds and flu symptoms when taken at the onset of illness. Number 2. Fights cold and flu symptoms. One of the most well-documented benefits of elderberry is its ability to combat colds and influenza. Several clinical studies suggest that elderberry extract can significantly reduce the duration and severity of these illnesses. A 2019 meta-analysis found that elderberry supplementation substantially decreased upper respiratory symptoms compared to a placebo. Elderberry's antiviral properties help to prevent the flu virus from attaching to and entering host cells, stopping the virus in its tracks. Not only does it relieve symptoms like congestion, fever, sore throat, and cough, but it also speeds up recovery time, sometimes by as much as 2 to 4 days. Number 3. Rich in antioxidants. Elderberries are loaded with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give the berries their deep purple color. These powerful compounds help neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and cellular damage. Oxidative stress is linked to aging and a host of chronic diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. By incorporating elderberries into your diet, you're giving your body an antioxidant boost that supports overall health and helps prevent long-term disease. In fact, elderberries contain more antioxidants than many other berries, including blueberries and cranberries, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their antioxidant intake naturally. Number 4. Supports heart health. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide, and elderberries may offer protective benefits for cardiovascular health. The anthocyanins in elderberries have been shown to reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and protect the inner lining of blood vessels from oxidative damage. Elderberry may also help lower bad LDL cholesterol and increase good HDL cholesterol levels, contributing to better lipid profiles. Additionally, elderberry has mild diuretic properties, which can reduce blood pressure by helping the body eliminate excess salt and fluid. Collectively, these benefits support a healthier heart and reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular issues over time. Number 5. Aids in digestion. Elderberries are a good source of dietary fiber, which plays a crucial role in promoting digestive health. Just 1 cup of elderberries contains about 10 grams of fiber, over a third of the recommended daily intake. This high fiber content helps regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Additionally, the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds in elderberries can soothe the digestive tract, reducing bloating and discomfort. Some traditional uses of elderberry also include using it as a natural laxative or to relieve symptoms of indigestion and gas, making it a gentle, natural way to support your digestive system. Number 6. Supports skin health and anti-aging. Thanks to its rich antioxidant content, elderberry is also a fantastic ally for your skin. The antioxidants in elderberries combat the free radicals that contribute to skin aging, including fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Elderberry's high vitamin C content promotes collagen production, which helps maintain skin elasticity and firmness. Its anti-inflammatory properties can also help reduce redness, acne, and skin irritations. Some skincare products even contain elderberry extract for these very reasons. Whether taken internally or applied topically, elderberries can help give your skin a more youthful, radiant appearance and protect it from environmental stressors. Number 7. May help manage blood sugar. Emerging research suggests that elderberries may have a role in blood sugar management, which is crucial for people with insulin resistance or diabetes. Some animal studies have shown that elderberry extracts can enhance insulin secretion and improve glucose uptake by cells, leading to better blood sugar control. The flavonoids and polyphenols in elderberries appear to support metabolic health by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing oxidative damage to pancreatic cells. While more human studies are needed to confirm these effects, the initial findings are promising and suggest that elderberry could be part of a natural approach to managing blood sugar levels. Number 8. May offer anti-cancer properties. Preliminary research has indicated that elderberry may have anti-cancer effects due to its high antioxidant and polyphenol content. Antioxidants help protect cells from mutations caused by oxidative stress, which is a known contributor to cancer development. In laboratory studies, elderberry extracts have demonstrated the ability to inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells, including prostate, colon, and breast cancer lines. While these studies are in early stages and not yet conclusive for human treatment, they suggest that elderberry's powerful phytochemicals could contribute to a cancer-preventive lifestyle when included as part of a balanced diet. Number 9. Natural remedy for allergies. Seasonal allergies can be a nuisance, and elderberry's anti-inflammatory and immune-modulating effects may help alleviate allergy symptoms. Allergies result from an overreaction of the immune system to harmless substances like pollen. Elderberry helps regulate immune response, reducing excessive inflammation and histamine production that causes symptoms like sneezing, runny nose, and itchy eyes. Some natural health practitioners recommend elderberry as an alternative to over-the-counter antihistamines due to its fewer side effects and holistic benefits. While more clinical trials are needed to confirm its effectiveness for allergies, anecdotal evidence and traditional use support elderberry's role as a natural allergy remedy. Number 10. Promotes respiratory health. Beyond its flu-fighting abilities, elderberry also supports broader respiratory health. It has been used traditionally to relieve sinus infections, bronchitis, and even asthma symptoms. Its anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties help soothe inflamed mucous membranes in the respiratory tract, reducing symptoms like congestion, sore throat, and coughing. Elderberry also acts as an expectorant, helping to loosen and clear mucus from the lungs. This makes breathing easier and speeds up the healing process from respiratory illnesses. For people who frequently suffer from sinus issues or respiratory infections, elderberry can be a valuable natural supplement to keep airways clear and healthy. Elderberry is more than just a seasonal immune booster, it's a nutritional powerhouse with a wide range of health benefits. From supporting heart and digestive health to fighting aging and improving respiratory function, elderberry offers natural, science-backed advantages for overall wellness. Whether you're using elderberry to prevent illness or enhance your daily health routine, this berry has earned its reputation as a potent natural remedy. As always, consult with your healthcare provider before adding any new supplement to your routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions or take medications. With the right guidance, elderberry can be a safe and effective part of your journey toward better health. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.